Here's a quick video showing you how to set up a new project and how to set up a new sequence. So I'm in Premiere Pro here, and I go up into, I've opened the program, I go up into File, New Project. At this point I need to identify a name, so we'll name as required, and I will click on Location, and I will browse the location, and for us we will be going into Documents, Adobe, Premiere, and creating a new folder in that Premiere Pro folder relevant for the assignment. I've already got it created here, so I will select that destination folder, and then I will press down here OK, and it will generate the file. So then I will have a project. As you can see here at the top left corner, I have a project identified. I can then say I need a new sequence, and File, New Sequence. Okay, and this is the timeline that the video will be generated into, how we play the videos on what timeline. I'm going into Sequence Presets and HDV, and I'm choosing HDV 1080p25. Okay, that's what we want to set up at this point. So we'll press OK. I'm going to give it a name. It's not sequence 3. I'm going to call it appropriate to the project. So we are a choir grid video project, and I'm going to say create that sequence. And as you can see down here on the right hand side, it's given me the timeline to construct the project into. It's also on the left hand side here in the files associated with the project. It's created the item here, and this environment here on the left is where I will import all of my media components so that I can then drag them and add them to the timeline. So I would double click on the left area here, and it will give me the opportunity to select and import media files. I hope that helps.